we are. We are in Cozumel, right?
We are in Cozumel. About to go scuba diving.
Yeah.
There's a little lightning.
That's alright. It'll be raining on the top. We'll hit the water. Have a great time.
Nice and thundery.
It's not raining underwater.
I know, but what about the lightning?
It is not raining underwater.
What about the lightning?
I think we'll be okay.
So, I wouldn't worry about the clouds.
You guys ready?
What's up?
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
What's up, gentlemen?
Just a flick of the button and you're on camera.
We are in Cozumel, and we're on. And we are going scuba diving in Roberta.
Well,
Let's do it.
between lightning strikes?
That's what I know. Let's hope. Let's hope. All right, I'm going to document going out to Roberta's. So we just got off the cruise ship. We're walking through all the gift shops, and I'm going to time lapse it just so you can see how to get there. I'm with Lazarus, and we are diving with Roberta's Dive Shop. So if ever you're in Cozumel, Roberta's Dive Shop is awesome. 5 stars. 5 stars. Muy bueno. Woo! So Lazarus is going to help me find a spot. Tyson, hand me that treasure. He's going to help me find a spot. We're going to go hide this bad boy, and then we'll draw a map. If you come to Cozumel, go to Roberta's, ask for Lazarus. He knows where it's at. It'll take you right down there, so let's go find some treasure, huh?
Lazarus.
We are off. Tyson.
Oh, yeah.
We got Ammon with us. What's going on the adventure? And Becky.
Hello.
You're in the right group, gentlemen.
We're so excited.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. There we go. Vámonos!
La 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 la! This is my favorite place ever to go.
know. You jump off, Haley? You guys have fun? It's a little chilly. Treasure's Head.
Hey, we just got back from 2 awesome dives. Saw some turtles, saw some awesome fish.
Right?
And we
Hid
hid
the
the
treasure at Delilah Dive Site. You can remember by the well-known song, Hey There Delilah.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City?
Hey, hey,
So that
hey. That one, right?
Delilah Dive Site.
So when you come, Cozumel, the Roberta's Dive Shop, that's the place to come. They do an awesome job. Had a great time. Every time we come here, we dive with them. They do a great job. Dive masters are awesome. We had Lazarus this time.
Yes,
He knows exactly where the treasure is.
He's the one you're going to need to ask for, and he knows exactly where it is.
And he'll guide you there.
Take you.
So come on out. You know, the thing I love about diving, you can see how gloomy it is out here. It was raining on us all the way. It was almost like a hurricane.
Thunder, lightning.
Dropped off the boat, calm,
Totally
blue,
calm.
crystal clear, awesome. Saw a couple turtles, it was fun. So the treasure is hid, go find it.